Hello, greetings from Boonri. In today's topic, we will see the history of biryani. A biryani is one of the most loved delicacies of all different dishes. The biryani is not just a favorite in India, but across the globe. So, how did this delicious dish start? Let's watch. The biryani is a very famous dish in India. It is a dish that's readily available at any and every place. It is available even on the streets as a local street food, or you can enjoy a biryani sitting in a posh restaurant too. The biryani is the dish that people always prefer when given a choice. Why? A biryani is always number one for majority of food lovers because it is tasty and it is also very filling too, thus making it worth its value for money. The word biryani comes from a Persian language word birinj, which means rice, and some also state the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. So, how did the biryani start as a dish here in India? Watch ahead. There are a lot of different stories doing rounds about how biryani first started in India. Some say that in 1398, a conqueror named Timur, also called Taimur, from the Mughal army invaded India, and that's how he brought the idea of biryani with him. Some also believe that there were conquerors who entered the northern part of India. They were the ones who came from Persia, which is today called Iran. They were the ones who invaded northern India, began their rulership, and introduced the biryani. But what about the southern part of India? Is it the same origin? No. It is said that as for the southern part of India, it was the people from the Arab countries, the Middle East region, who had come here to South India with an intention to have trade. So, it was those Arabs who introduced the recipe. So many different versions of stories about the origin. But today, different states of India have different versions of biryani too, such as Kolkata, Hyderabad, Lucknow, etc. Each have their own unique taste of biryanis. Many people actually have a confusion if a pulao is the same as a biryani. Is it the same or is there any difference? Let's watch. When you see a table with a plate of pulao and another plate of biryani, it might not seem different to some, but let me tell you its difference today. A pulao is usually a one-pot meal with either vegetables or meat cooked with rice together until the liquid in it is absorbed. That makes a pulao ready. While the biryani has a different method. It is a dish where the rice is cooked in a vessel and the meat is cooked separately in a lot of spices. After that, usually it's a layering of both. It is then followed by a covering, that is, with a lid and sealed with a ring of dough to keep the flavors intact inside the pot. Not just that, but some biryanis have more enhancements. Some of the biryanis are also infused with hot coals. You might have seen a coal in an olden style iron box. The hot coals are laden with oil and kept in a small bowl inside the pot, which gives it a smoky flavor. Now that makes the difference. According to a report, in the year 2018, the statistics showing the most ordered dishes on the online food app proved that the dish that topped the list of most ordered dishes was the biryani. Also, in 2019, the figures for the most searched Indian food globally suggest that each month the average of searches on the internet was 4.56 lakh, and the dish was chicken biryani. The biryani is so important here that it even featured on the postal stamp of India in the year 2017. In fact, a restaurant in Dubai serves the Royal Gold Biryani that has edible gold, and it costs about 20,000 in Indian currency for a single plate. Whoopee! After seeing all these pictures in this video, I'm sure all are drooling.